Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome to our channel. We are back today with yet another Instant Pot video. I am sure this one could be made in the oven. This is a really easy dish called a Cheeseburger Tortilla Pie. I have made something similar in the past in my Instant Pot. There was a taco pie. This is very similar, but just with the flavors of cheeseburger, which we love. I've got several recipes on our channel for cheeseburger flavored dishes. One thing I really like about the Instant Pot, besides the fact that it is enclosed, which sometimes is a drawback. I can't taste and see the food as it cooks, but sometimes it's great. It's a little small pan. It makes a great size for the two of us, and being enclosed in the Instant Pot frees me up to do other things, fix the other components for dinner, go ahead and wash dishes, do whatever I need to do. So this one cooks in a little small 7-inch pan in the Instant Pot, and this is a new recipe that we tried and loved for a cheeseburger tortilla pie. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. We are trying another new experiment in our Instant Pot. This one is for an easy cheeseburger tortilla pie. If you've watched our channel before, you will know that we like cheeseburger everything. We have already shared, I think, 3 recipes: cheeseburger wraps, party cheeseburgers, which are baked in Hawaiian bread, and also a cheeseburger pasta. So this new recipe is right up our alley. It's very similar to the taco pie that we have shared before. Another experiment that we tried and loved. You will need, obviously, an Instant Pot and a spring form or some type of enclosed pan to cook in the Instant Pot, but the ingredient list is really simple, and as always, everything will be listed below. You'll need some tortillas to layer with. We're going to brown some ground beef with onion, and even though you can saute in the Instant Pot, because it will leave it greasy, I am going to just go ahead and saute this on the stovetop. And we're going to season the meat with some ketchup and onion and mustard. And then we're going to layer with cheese, hamburger dill pickles, the meat, and layer up the cheeseburger pie in the tortillas and cook it in the Instant Pot. So come cook along with us and we'll see how this recipe comes out. You want to spray your springform pan with some cooking spray. Then on the stovetop, I browned my ground beef and my onions. Once that was all brown, I drained off the grease. I added some salt and pepper to taste. The recipe didn't call for it, but I added some salt-free steak seasoning to make it taste a little bit more like a burger. And then the ketchup and the mustard, I did not even measure, just eyeballed it and combined it to taste. Time to start layering the tortilla on the bottom, and then meat, cheese, and pickle. Alternate your layers. The recipe called for 5 tortillas. I think I only used 3. You can end with either cheese or pickle on the top. Your choice how you want it to look. I put the springform pan covered with foil on my trivet. I'm going to insert that in my Instant Pot. I already have 1 cup of water down in there. I'm going to seal it and set it on manual high pressure for 10 minutes. Take that back. I'm going to do it for 12, only because the recipe said the taco pie that I made was for 10, and this is basically the same premise. Hopefully it will be just fine. So we're going to cook it manual high pressure for 12 minutes, let it NPR for 2, and then quick release. In the meantime, I've got about 12 minutes. I can wash some dishes and make a salad or some sides to go with this cheeseburger tortilla pie. Already cooked for 12. We NPR'd it for 2. We're going to finish letting the steam out, get it out, and let it set 5 minutes before cut it. Let's see if this one's a keeper or not. The original recipe said to cook it for 12 minutes, which we did. We NPR'd it, took it out, let it rest about 5. Now we are cutting it up. The recipe said to serve it with lettuce, tomato, and ranch dressing. Instead of that, I'm just making a salad. This is Cheeseburger Tortilla Pie. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook Y'all. I hope if you like cooking videos, you'll hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all.